Your apartment, your day, your way. MetLife Care has private studio and one-bedroom service departments available now across 11 villages nationwide. Find the one that suits you at metlifecare.co.nz.
Hi there, how about supporting these local businesses?
New Zealand's saltier and moisture destroying your car from the underside up. Autolast, the rust-proofing system developed for over 20 years for our brutal conditions, seals and protects your vehicle, saving you thousands in repair bills. Protect your investment. Visit autolast.co.nz.
Locals supporting locals.
Incrediwear, infrared technology you can wear. From knee sleeves and back support to socks and braces. Incrediwear is activated by your body heat to help increase blood flow, support comfort, mobility, recovery, and help reduce inflammation. Simply wear it and let your body do the work. Move better, recover smarter. Visit incrediwear.co.nz.
Help them local economy.
It's time to turn up the results. Natalie Gombert, the matchmaker in real estate. Fast-paced, strategic, and driven to get you sold for more. More players, more competition, better results. Visit Natalie Gombert Real Estate at Barfoot and Thompson. Let her make your move happen. Licensed REAA 2008.
On-air ads. We're local.
David's limited edition sweet sriracha chicken parma. Let's tingle.
On radio, streaming on Rover, and on your smart speaker. This is Breeze Classic News.
Kia ora, I'm KM Adams with the latest at 10. Nearly 130,000 people have been evacuated in France and Spain as wildfires intensify. The Spanish government has declared a state of emergency, while French authorities are removing tourists under threat on the Atlantic coast. The regional president of Madrid is calling it the worst fire in the history of the region. Another local official has told the BBC that the wildfires are beyond the capacity of local firefighters. Slips have caused another road closure in the central North Island this morning. State Highway 43, the Forgotten Highway, is now closed between Whangamomona and Taumaranui. Earlier today, a slip closed State Highway 3's Awakino Gorge between Mokau and Piu Piu. Today marks World Drowning Prevention Day. Glenn Scanlon of Water Safety NZ notes the death toll for 2026 has ticked up.
We've had 57 people drown, which is 18 more than at the same time last year. Nearly all of those are male, and the vast majority of that number are men above the age of 25.
A trailer for the third season of The Lord of the Rings of Power was dropped at Comic-Con in San Diego. The show takes place thousands of years before the events of Tolkien's Lord of the Rings trilogy. Simon Pegg and Eddie Marsan joined the cast among others this season. 2 medals to start the weekend for New Zealand at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. Erica Fairweather won silver in the 400 metres freestyle, and Lewis Clareburt came within a stroke of gold in the 200 individual medley on Sky Sport.
Look at this from Duncan Scott. Charging Lewis Clareburt. Who's going to get the touch? It's just Duncan Scott. My goodness me, Lewis Clareburt came flying back down that last 50.
And Tony Pogacar is on the verge of winning a 5th Tour de France after storming to victory in the 19th stage.
Breeze Classic weather. Find Breeze Classic online at breezeclassic.rover.nz. Breeze Classic.
We have showers and strong westerlies for Auckland. In fact, we've got a strong wind watch today, a high of 14, dropping to 9 tonight. Tomorrow, cloudy with morning rain, a high of 12 for Sunday, and mainly sunny Monday.
This is Breeze Classic. Good times. Great songs. The 70s and more. Play on Breeze Classic.
I'm sleeping and right in the middle of a good dream. Like all at once I wake up from something that keeps knocking at my brain. Before I go insane, I hold my pillow to my head and spring up in my bed, screaming out the words I dread. I think I love you. This morning I woke up with this feeling I didn't know how to deal with, and so I just decided to myself I'd hide it to myself and never talk about it, and did not go and shout it when you walk into the room. I think I love you. I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of. A love there is no cure for. I don't know what I'm up against. I don't know what it's all about. I got so much to think about. Hey, I think I love you. So what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of. A love there is no cure for. I think I love you. Isn't that what life is made of? Though it worries me to say, I never felt this way. Believe me, you really don't have to worry. I only wanna make you happy. And if you say, hey, go away, I will. But I think better still, I'd better stay around and love you. Do you think I have the case? Let me ask you to your face. Do you think you love me? I think I love you. 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 I think I love you.
Breeze Classic.
So true, funny how it seems I'm always in time, but never